How to fix all your problems that you have on your IQIYI app. Welcome everybody to this tutorial video. I'm going to give you the solution of this problem. Let's start. Open first your settings of your phone, click on apps option, and right now search for IQIYI. Click, and right here you will find this list. Just open storage and click clear cache and back. Click force stop and click OK. Come to battery right now, and you need to turn on it on optimized mode. Go back next and come directly to permission option, and make sure that you give permission to files and media only, like this. Go right now, turn on your airplane mode, turn off it, and come to Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. Update your IKEA app, and right now restart your phone, and that's all what you should do. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.